Hey, so I think most people wish that they could work a little bit less and make a little bit more. Maybe they wish they could save more for retirement, or maybe they wish they could actually go on a vacation that they would like. Whatever it is, most people wish that they could have a little bit of side income that could supplement their main income so that they could actually do the things that they wish that they could do. Well, back in 2022, I started doing this great side hustle. I've talked about it before on this channel. It's called Amazon Influencers. Basically, you post reviews of videos directly to Amazon, and then if somebody watches those videos and then makes a purchase, you get a commission. In 2022, the year that I started doing that, I made like $9,000 from the program. In 2023, I just got to show you. In 2023, I made $30,116. There were good months, there were bad months, and overall, I think the program isn't doing great. My 2024 has not started off the way that I thought it would, but I'm still super happy with the program. $30,000 from a side hustle, I'll take it. And I'll show you the kinds of things that I actually make money from as well. This column that says shipped items, that's the total number of items that people purchased after watching my video and that were actually shipped to customers. Now, some of those were returned, which does happen. And if you were already given the commission for that, they just deduct it. So that kind of stinks. But the sold items is way higher than the returned items, which is good. So here's the kind of things that I sold. This is a rooftop cargo carrier. Over the course of the year, it made me $3,800. Here's an electric pull saw. It made me $928. Here's a treadmill, maybe $914, and so on. There's no one item that really made the difference. In fact, I sold hundreds and hundreds of items over the course of the year, and they all contribute and add up to that total. For example, here's some shoes. I made a commission of 90 cents from them. Here's a picture frame. I made $1.24 from it. But some commissions are even less. In fact, some commissions are a lot less. Here's a Rocketbook. I made 67 cents from it. Here's some keychain tape measures. I made 30 cents from those. And if I were to keep on going, some of them you'll see that I only made a few pennies from each sale. But this is only number 4,700 out of 31,000, so I think I'll stop there. The point is, if you're a video creator and you're not in this program, you're missing out. If you know how to make videos, if you have a social media following already, which you do need in order to get qualified for the program, if you just work 1 or 2 hours a day on this, you can make a significant income. Now, it does take time to build up. Your first few months are not going to be high at all because you need to build up a library of hundreds of videos of all these products, and then each one will get sold just a little bit each month, and that adds up to a lot. For being a side hustle that I work literally just 1 or 2 hours a day on, I think that was a pretty good income for 2023. Like I said, it's gone down just a little bit. 2024 might not be quite as high, but that's also because I haven't been working on it quite as much. But if you're interested in checking it out, there's a link in the description that'll take you to the sign up page. Out of all the online things that I've tried, this is probably the easiest and fastest to get started, including YouTube. And I really haven't done anything special to get it to this point. I just posted my honest reviews of the products, uploaded them to Amazon, and they do the rest. If that sounds like something you want to do, check out that link in the description. Hey, if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.